Bubbly Kids.
Hi kids, today we will see the words starting with letter N. N for nose. N for net. N for nest. N for newspaper.
Broken bone,
N for 9.
broken heart, where can
N for
I
nap.
be mended?
N for nurse.
A little lonely,
N for nail.
much afraid. Where am I
N for nuts.
befriended?
N for neck.
Body's tired,
N for
feet
ninja.
faint. Where can I lay my
N for necklace. N for notes.
cigarette? Buzzing.
N for numbers.
Someone stop this sound.
N for night.
Here I
N for noise.
run to.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.